Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Xiaomi with the highly anticipated Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Is this the ultimate smartphone of the year? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the design. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra boasts a sleek, seamless glass and metal design that's both elegant and durable. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra features a 6.9-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels. This means incredibly smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with 12GB of RAM. This ensures lightning-fast performance for all your multitasking and gaming needs. For photography enthusiasts, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra offers a quad-camera setup with a 108MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 5MP macro lens. Capture stunning photos in any condition. Worried about battery life? The Xiaomi 15 Ultra packs a 5000 mAh battery with 120W fast charging. Get a full charge in just 20 minutes. Running on MIUI 15 based on Android 13, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra offers a seamless and customizable user experience. Enjoy features like enhanced privacy controls, improved multitasking, and more. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a powerhouse packed with top-of-the-line features, a stunning design, and exceptional performance. Is it the best smartphone of the year? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and tech insights.